Hello, everybody. Welcome to our live broadcast every Friday. Follow me to know more about our company and the products. Maysky Stainless Steel Corporated, established in 2001, is one of the largest suppliers of stainless steel welded tubes in China. Our factory located in Foshan, which is only 1 hour far from Guangzhou. When you come to China, welcome to visit our company. In 2014, Maysky established a professional export team with rich experience. Even if you do not have imports before, we can offer you the HS code to check your local tax and help you to do the best imports. To know more, please contact us. Here is our contact information. Here's our contact information if you want to know more about us. Okay. In the end of November, we will participate into the Stainless Steel World Exhibition to be held in Netherlands from 30 November to 2nd December this year. Will you go to this exhibition? Welcome to visit our exhibition. Here's our exhibition information. Our bus number is 80B86. Here you can see our bus number B86. If you are not going to, we can visit you. If you are in the Europe, we can visit you. We will make appointments with you in advance. Okay, now I will introduce our tube production process. Here you can see this is the stainless steel strip. It's the raw material of stainless steel tube. Stainless steel strip. We will put the strip on the runner. When the machine runs, it will go into the machine. Here, you can see the material. The material we can make is 201, 304, 304L, 316L, and 430. Those material we can make. And then the machine will bend the material into the shape we need. The round tube, the round shape, square shape, the rectangular shape. Here, bending is a bending process. And then it goes to the welding process. Our welding way is TIG welding. I think it's the most way customer use for the welding. TIG welding. Meantime, the machine will cooling the tube by water. Yeah, cooling the tube, cooling process. Here you can see the tube is in the round shape, and we will cut the tube into the length we need. The regular length is 6 meter, 5.8, and 6.1 meter. If you have other requests for lengths such as 3 meter, 4 meter, or 5 meter, or other lengths, we also can make it. Just let us know your detailed requirements. Also, from here, after cutting You can see here. Here is our here. Here's our mirror finish tube. It is the mirror finish tube without any surface finish. Here we come to we can make 800 grades. For mirror finish, the cost is much higher, so we actually don't suggest use 800. The cost is really high. After polish, the tubes finish the production, and then we go into the quality check process. Here you can see how we check the quality. We will check the length if it's out of tolerance, and the thickness. Also, we will check the surface finish. Also, as well as the welding line, we will check those factors. Here you can see how we check the quality, the diameter, etc. After quality check, we will pack the tube. Here you can see we will pack each tube into poly bag, and then several tubes packed into big bundle. The weight for each bundle is about 300 to 500 kilogram. It's a big bundle. On each bundle, we will put 2 slings on each bundle, so you can offload the container easily by forklift. Here you can see. Here's our label. On each tube, we also have label. You can, if you don't need that, we also can not sticker on the tube. Yeah. For the poly bag, normally we will use the white color poly bag for 304. White color for 304. And if you need, we also have other color poly bag. Here you can see our poly bag color. The white one is most for 304. For 304, it is the most regular one. Also, we have this one, green one. Also, for 3-1 since sometimes we also will use the red one. If you need a different color, just let us know. We will try to meet your requirement. After packing, we will put the tubes in the warehouse. Here you can see it's our warehouse. Here are many tubes here. Normally, we will load them within 1 week. After tube finished production, we will book shipment or inform our customer to book shipment. And we'll try to load the container as soon as possible. Okay, now here you can see how we load the container. We will use the forklift to put the tubes into the container with the slings here, This is our loading. Okay, this is all our process for one order from production to delivery. Then all the things you need to do is to wait the container arrive your local port, and you can ask your agent to make custom clearance and pick up the container and deliver the container to your warehouse. Okay. Okay, now let me introduce our main products. Our main product is stainless steel welded tubes. We can make ASTM A554 standard, also A270 and the A312. Yeah, you can see the details here. ASTM A554, A312, A270. Here is the Europe standard. It's for decoration and maybe for brushstrip. Also the sanitary tube. The material we can make is 201, 304, 304L, 316L, 430. Also in Europe, they are different lengths. Here you can see it here. It's the material grade name in Europe. We can make round, square, and rectangular tubes. It is also we can make slot tube, or we also can make. For surface finish, we can make mirror finish, 13180 grades, 13240 grades, and 13320 grades. Also, we can make the bright, also non-polished surface 400 grades and 600 grades. And the most expensive one, mirror finish 800 grades. We also make many mirror finish for Europe customers. Here you can see all the information here. Okay, if you have any questions, welcome to contact us here. Here you can see our contact information. Our contact information is here. Welcome to contact us or write us email. Send your inquiry or send your purchase order to us. We will always make you the most competitive price. Here you can see our contact information. Okay, now I'm going to show you our tubes one by one. Here, the round tube, it is in 180 grades. You can you say it? Also, this one is 240, and this one is 320. In Europe, the most popular one is 320 grades. Also, this one is the popular set, 42.4 by 2 millimeter. It's the most popular size in Europe, and the grade 320 grades. Can you see it clearly? This one is 320 grades. It's very beautiful. Okay, I will show you the rectangular tube. It is also the 13 finish. We also have made 180 grades, 240, 320 grades. Here, this rectangular tube. Also, we have square tube. The length, it is the polished one. Here, can you see the differences here? This one. This one is 600 grades. 600 grades. But it is also like a mirror, I think, but not bright as a mirror. Here, this one is the real mirror, 800 grades. 800 grades. You can see the comparison between them. I think the 800 degrees is much brighter than 600 degrees, so the cost is also much expensive. Okay, then let me show you the round one. Also, one is in 600 degrees and one is in 800 degrees. Can you say which one is 600 degrees? Hi, this one. This one, 600 degrees. Okay, this one is mirror one. It's brighten as a mirror. 801. You also can see the comparison between the two tubes. The mirror one is much bright. Here it's the mirror finish tube without any surface finish. We also can offer the mirror finish tube for you. The cost is it is little cheaper than the tubes have surface finish. You can send us inquiry if you need. Okay, then I'm going to show you about our thickness and the tolerance. It is like this one. Yeah, this one is 42.4 by 2 millimeter. Let me show you. What is the real diameter and the thickness here? Wait a moment here. Okay, here we can show 0 meter. Okay, here. Can you see? Can you see it? that meter. Here is the tool to test the thickness. Okay, let me show the thickness here. Okay, here you can say it is 1.8, 1.8. It is within the tolerance. Okay. Can you say it? It is within our tolerance. So let's try one more. Okay, let me check. How about this one? This one is 1.2 millimeter thickness. But I think this one, okay, this one, okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, 1.09, 1.09 for 1.2 millimeter tube. Here you can see. Okay. All those are ASTM 8554 standard. Then let me show you some other standard tubes. Besides those normal surface finish, we also can do the pickling, annealing, and the inside bit removed, and the inside polish. Okay, this one is the tubes with picking surface finish. After pickling, the surface is a little wet. And you can say it is inside polish. inside bit removed. Here is the welding line. It's removed the welding line. Okay, this one you can say it is the inside bit removed and the inside polish. Inside bit removed and the inside polish. It is the sanitary tube. But different customers have different requirements for the sanitary tube. You can send inquiry and tell us your detailed requirements. If you have any inquiry or questions, welcome to write email to us or call us by phone. Call us or send us email. Here you can see our contact information. Our contact information is here. Welcome to write email to us or call us directly. We are always here for you. Okay. You have a lamp. We also can make the slot tube, but we don't do much slot tube. Round slot tube and the square slot tube. Here you can see. So for all those tubes, we have prepared some samples for customers. They are all cut from the production line. If you have any demand for samples, welcome to send us email. You can directly ask us for the samples. Ask samples contact us here. Normally, the most popular sample size in Europe is 40 to 44 by 2 millimeter and 40 by 40 by 2 millimeter round and square tube samples. It's cut from the production line directly. If you need samples or have requests for other size samples, welcome to contact us here. You can send email or call us directly. We are glad to send you our tube samples here. Okay. Our contact information here. Actually, we pay much attention to our quality. We test the size, the thickness, the length, and make sure it meets the standard, the tolerance standard. Also, we will check the surface, make sure there are not sand holes here, scratches, and also if there is no sand hole and scratch on the surface, and if the surface finish you need. Also, we will check the side and we will check the side to make sure there is no burrs here, and the side is flat. The side is flat and smooth here. Also, for round tube, we will check the roundness if it's enough round here. Yeah, those are the test process for tubes. We have several inspectors in the factory. After the tubes finish the production, our inspectors will check the tubes quality piece by piece. Also, we will offer certificates, material certificates for everyone customers. Here you can see. I will show you three one most regular one. This one is 3-1 since you can see the chemical elements. Nickel is this one is nickel. at least 10%, and this one at least 18%. This one is for 316 material grade, 316 material grade. Okay, next one. Next one is the most regular one, 304. 304. I think you are very familiar with the 304. The nickel at least 8, and the 12 here at least also 18 here. 304 test certificate. And the last one, 201. 201, you can see the nickel at least 1%, and the another one, yeah, you can see the list another one. It is always in standard. Okay. Now I prepared some questions by some customers. They often ask us. This first one. Here, our minimum order quantity. Normally, our customers will book by one full container. But for one full container, normally we will load at least 25 tons to fill the container. Also, we can make to 27 or 28 tons in one container. As you know, current shipping cost is very high. If you only load 20 tons in one container, you cannot save cost. Sorry, the minimum order quantity. Yeah. So if you cannot book one full container, we also can make such as 2 tons, 3 tons, 5 tons. We all can make it as long as you want to purchase from us. We can make any quantity for you. But for several tons, the shipping cost is very high. We suggest you to ship by one full container so you can save many costs. Okay. Yeah. Okay, next one. Trade term. Yeah, the trade term. Normally, we can make small FOB, CFR or CIF. Okay, you can we often delivery to Europe ports. For example, in Poland, we offer delivery to Gdańsk, Gdynia, also the Hamburg in Germany. The Hamburg, okay, in Spain, Valencia, Barcelona, and in Netherlands, the Rotterdam, Amsterdam. Here also we deliver to UK. Those are big ports in Europe. We often deliver. Okay, this is our return. When send inquiry, just let us know your detailed requirements. We will make offer as your request. Okay, next one. Delivery. How about our delivery time? Normally we will make delivery in 60 days. Yeah, normally we will make delivery in 60 days. But if you need faster delivery, we also can make it faster by 35 days. If you're ready agent, we also can make it in 25 to 30 days, 1 month. After we receive your money, we will make delivery in 1 month. Just our delivery time. Let me check. So if you have any other questions, welcome to contact us. Yeah, this is our contact information here. You can send emails or call us directly. Contact us here. Okay, that's all of our live broadcast today. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye bye. See you next time.